Okay, so here we are inside my blog at thewheelstrategy.com. This is a case study on AMD. Actually, this is the first trade that I placed back in May 2021. And this is the chart. Basically, we were coming from July, August 2020. You can see the pattern, AMD breaking out above the 75 level. And then for a few months, several months actually, the price has been going down and up in this range between the 75 and the 100 level. So fast forward, we are end of May. There has been earnings around the end of April, and you see here after earnings this solid red candle. The price pulled back to this level, to this support level of the 75. And after testing the level and actually breaking down, but not falling, because you can see how much space there is down here. So the price didn't fall that much, so it really didn't lose support. And we are here after a few days of consolidation. So this is the candle I see on that day. And I decide to open a CSP, a cash secure put, at the 75 strike price, expiring on June 4th. So only 10 days later I enter in the position, because really I want to jump on board when the time decay is going to accelerate at the maximum. And on the trade, delta is 0.24, so that is a pretty good chance of success. And IV is in the 30% range. That is a sort of my sweet spots for this kind of trades. So the opening order gets filled at the 63 cents, and that results in a total premium per contract of $63. So if you consider the cash that is required to secure this position, that is for every contract 100 shares time 75, that is a strike price. So that's bring to an estimated annualized return on investment, the AROI. So this is the formula. Basically, all you have to do is divide the premium collected by the amount of cash that is needed to secure the position, and you divide by 10, so we obtain sort of an average daily rate of return, and multiply by 365. So this way you obtain the projected annualized return on the investment, and that is pretty nice, is a 30.6%. So after a few days, actually after 3 days, you see this green candle here, so moves from here to here, and then quite sharply up with this solid, almost solid green candle with a little bit of shadow on the top. The RSI 2 is getting to be overbought, so here is 98. So at this point, what I do is actually I close the trade, so I buy back the contract for an 11 cents debit, and that allows me to keep 80% of the original premium in just 30% of the time. And that is actually pretty good, because if you do the math now on the consolidated position after it has been closed, so the final ROI in this case is 52 divided by 7,500, and then this time we have to divide by 3, that is the actual duration of the trade, and then multiply by 365, so for the entire year. And that brings me to a total annualized return of 84.3%. That is way higher than what I anticipated. Of course, I leave $11 on the table, but considering how much time there is left to expiration, that is 70% of the time, that's pretty good. And so I take off any risk from the trade. If you consider the other side of the equation, basically what does mean to leave this $11 for the remaining time. So if you consider what will happen in the following 7 days if I decided to leave the position open, all you have to do is take $11, divide by the collateral, again is 7,500, and in this case divide by 7 and then multiply by 365. So leaving the position open for the remaining period of these 7 days would have bring me to an annualized return of only 7.6%. That is pretty low, and to do that I needed to leave open a position and the entire risk of this collateral. So what I prefer to do is close the position, because again the stock is extending on the upside, and I prefer to free up my capital, book the profit, and use the capital on another trade with a potential higher return over these 7.6%, and so use for another trade. So that was trade number 1 of my CSP trading journal in the Option Trading Club. These trades, all these trades, these and many other more are shared with all the members in real time. So I post information about how I open, how I adjust, and how I eventually close the position. So I share this inside the Discord community to all the members of the Option Trading Club.